Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hummus bowl, step by step. First, let's build our base. Begin by spreading about 1/2 cup of your favorite creamy hummus, whether homemade or store-bought, evenly across the bottom of your bowl. This creates a smooth, consistent foundation for all the wonderful toppings we're about to add. A good base is key to a truly satisfying hummus bowl experience. Next, let's introduce some satisfying protein and delightful crunch to our bowl. Consider adding about 1/4 cup of roasted chickpeas for a plant-based option, or perhaps some shredded grilled chicken. For that essential textural contrast, sprinkle in some toasted pita bread pieces or a handful of crisp cucumber and bell pepper. These additions make your bowl more filling and enjoyable with every bite. Now, it's time to bring in the vibrant freshness. Load your bowl with about 1/2 cup of colorful, crisp vegetables. Diced tomatoes, cucumbers, and thinly sliced red onion are fantastic options that add both flavor and essential nutrients. Don't forget a generous sprinkle of fresh herbs, like chopped parsley or cilantro, about 1 tablespoon, to elevate the aroma and brightness of your hummus bowl. This step truly makes it pop. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches that tie everything together. Drizzle your beautiful hummus bowl with about 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil for a luxurious richness. A pinch of paprika or za'atar, about 1/2 teaspoon, adds a wonderful aromatic spice. And for a final burst of brightness, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will awaken all the flavors, making your homemade hummus bowl absolutely irresistible. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.